4th July 2021. Johnny want to explain something on cycle. Sorry. Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, you need to follow me where I'm going.
Okay.
Okay, follow me.
I cannot come like that. You explain here only. Okay.
Okay, Dad. Yes.
What?
Look at this.
Oh, what are these scans, man? They are getting. You are increasing these scans more and more. Better you
No,
throw it.
no. I need a cat house. Biggest thing to fit all the cats.
Yeah.
Just with the builders.
Ah.
That's why. That's why I'm putting here.
Hmm.
You need to call morning.
Hmm.
Today now.
Okay.
I thought I will cat birds. You
Hmm.
bring here and put it in the net.
Okay. You want me to bring birds?
And yeah, I will.
And who will clean the birds? All their
No,
toilet and everything.
No.
Ah.
I said we'll put on the glass net.
Ah.
They're beating it and no holes will come.
Okay.
So squeeze on.
Mm-hmm.
We need the strongest
Mm.
with net on the place.
Mm.
Then the smell will not come.
Mm.
Then I can catch those birds and put it that same thingy again.
Oh my
Close
God.
the net.
Ah. You want to show your strength to the birds? Mm.
No, I want.
Who will clean all the dirt of the birds?
We need to put the mirror to not put the smell out.
No, I don't know who will clean. If I bring the birds, I will not be cleaning anything. You need to feed them, clean them, everything.
Dad, we need our bird food. Bird food. We have bird food. We need to sprinkle some bird food in the holes.
Mm.
Then not smell comes because there's a net and the glass here. Not smell comes.
Smell will not come.
Yeah.
Dirty smell.
Yeah. And the net and the glass will protect that smell and push it out to the birds.
Oh, so you will prepare the bird's cage in such a way that smell will go out and
Yeah.
you will keep it clean. That's what you want to say.
You need a plastic clear glass.
Ah,
Plastic.
plastic ones.
Cardboard.
Cardboard ones.
With plastic.
Plastic and cardboard type of bird's cage you want.
No.
Mm.
Plastic and cardboard and glass.
Mm.
Protect the smell to push out.
Mm.
Push into the cage.
Okay.
And next two will push.
Mm.
Only next there it will escape.
Mm.
Both net and the cardboard and the glass. Then it will push the smell into the net. We
Mm.
need all materials to do this.
Okay.
The smell get out in the hose, then
Mm.
it will be a problem for us.
Mm-hmm.
That's why you need to put it.
Mm-hmm.
Clear cardboard and plastic glass.
Glass. So with these material you want to make bird's nest or bird's cage. So you will make yourself.
No, you need to get it for the shops.
You told you will make them here.
You need to bring it first.
Uh-huh. I need to bring a ready-made already which is available in the market. I need to bring that one here.
You need to tell
Uh,
in the bird market.
Birds market. Ah. So I need to get that kind of cage.
Yeah, I'm going to the dressing room. Follow.
Enough now.
No! Not enough!
దేవునికి నీవు ముఖ్యం
In the dressing room.
Yeah.
Look at my clothes inside. And so you. Look at this.
Yeah.
Are they amazing?
Yeah. Amazing. Enough.
I know! It's enough! I want more! I love this game.
This video game, I am getting tired of this game.
No! You need to
వినడానికి పుట్టించాడు
Enough. Enough. I am closing it. Come here. Come here. I'll tell you. Come here. Come here. I'll,
Why?
come here. I'll tell you. Enough.